When your vehicle is struck by hail or suffers from door dings and minor dents, there's a proven and effective way to restore it without compromising its original factory finish: Paintless Dent Repair, or PDR. This innovative process removes dents without the need for sanding, body fillers, or repainting, which, honestly, helps preserve your vehicle's value and saves both time and money compared to conventional auto body repair. If your vehicle was recently hit by hail, it's important to file a claim with your insurance company right away. However, don't be pressured into using one of their preferred shops. Insurance companies may try to influence where you go for repairs, but Texas law protects your right to choose the repair shop you trust. You're not obligated to go where they suggest. The choice is 100% yours. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we've been perfecting the art of paintless dent repair for over 3 decades. Our shop, conveniently located at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas, features a state-of-the-art estimating bay where we can accurately assess your hail damage, door dings, or minor dents. We specialize in restoring vehicles to their original condition, quickly, affordably, and without the need for repainting. If you'd like to know if your vehicle is a candidate for PDR, give us a call today at 325-703-6149 or stop by for a free consultation. Let Angelo Dent Removal Inc. make your car look great again. Another flawless repair like it was never there.